spent hours making the perfect football edit, and just when you think it's ready to go viral, bam, copyright strike. But wait, what if I told you there's a way to avoid this headache? Stick around and I'll show you how to protect your football edits from getting flagged, so you can focus on growing your channel, not dealing with copyright strikes. Hey everyone, today we're talking about something every football editor fears: copyright issues. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid them. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, blur scoreboards, sponsors, and watermarks. One of the easiest ways to avoid copyright issues is to blur any scoreboards, sponsor logos, or watermarks that appear in the footage. These are often key identifiers that trigger copyright claims. Here's how you can do it. In a light motion or CapCut, use the blur tool and adjust the opacity around the scoreboard or logo until it's no longer recognizable. Make sure the blur is consistent throughout the clip to avoid detection. Tip number 2. Use short clips, under 5 to 7 seconds. Next up, keep your clips short. One trick is to use clips that are under 5 to 7 seconds. Most copyright bots don't flag videos with short, fragmented footage. This way, you can still include amazing plays without triggering a strike. Here's what you can do. Use quick cuts between shots. Mix in close-ups, slow-mo, or player reaction shots to break up longer sequences. Tip number 3. Add commentary or voiceover. Adding commentary or a voiceover can also help you transform the original content. When you talk over the footage, you're essentially repurposing it, making it less likely to get flagged. Here's how to use this tip. Record yourself talking about what's happening in the clip. Explain tactics, critique the play, or give your unique take on the moment. Tip number 4, change the audio. Another method is to alter the original audio, like crowd noise or commentary. You can mute the audio completely or replace it with your own sound effects or music. Pro tip, always use royalty-free music or sounds. Platforms like YouTube's audio library have tons of free music you can use without worrying about copyright. With these tips, you'll be able to create football videos without worrying about copyright strikes, allowing you to focus on what matters most: making great content.